In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable Notification Center on the lock screen. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, let me show you how Notification Center works on the lock screen. So I just locked my device. Now I can tap at the screen to wake it up. And now if I swipe up on the lock screen, it shows me Notification Center. If you want to block this feature, you can first unlock your device and then just open up Settings, scroll down until you find the Face ID and passcode, then enter your device passcode, and here scroll all the way down until you find Notification Center under Allow Access when locked. And now all you have to do is just hit at that switcher to toggle this feature off. Now you can lock your device, then wake it up. And now if you try to get access to your notification, it doesn't show up. I hope it helps you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.